Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is January 23rd, 2023. All right, so let's hop right into it here. We have this daily candle that opened up, came down a little bit, sealed the price a little bit in between, what was this, Thursday's candle, and today rallied up, took out most of that imbalance that we talked about, got up higher up into this rejection right here, and almost sealed. And we do have that imbalance still there too. News is tomorrow. Time got 9:45 for USD, and we'll probably see a lot of action happening at 4:30 in the morning Eastern time for British pound. We got Euro, same story. Going to be a very wild day. So let's see here. What else we got? And then we have New Zealand at 4:45 p.m. and then we have Australia at 7:30 p.m. So definitely they're going to use the news to push it up to here. I can see it. Or they're going to leave this dangling carrot and they're just going to sink this thing. That's my opinion. But on the flip side, because of looking at the S&P and NAS, they are looking really bullish. They already reached this level here on their schematic. I know S&P. I don't know about NAS. I don't think I checked NAS, but I know S&P was. So this might either be a delay, or the Dow is leading in the direction of position, meaning it doesn't have to come up here. But I mean, right now the bullish. This is January. We should definitely see a more of a bearish month here, and it's still holding up. So as you see, this is the end of January here. So I still believe in this, turning around. I knew it'd come up. Watch yesterday's video. Knew it'd come up here and then kind of turn around this way. So we'll see how it goes. I'm expecting something like this. See this? I'm expecting something like this, but not such a big ass wick. So I'm expecting something like that, All right, let's go into it real quick here. Jump into a 5-minute. Take a look here. So we have, well, let me go to a 1 hour for you. All right, so in the 1 hour, why did it not show it? Excuse me 1 second. Right, yeah. Okay. So here we go. So that's the imbalance in between here. Oh, where's the other? Lord, excuse me. See these lines here? This imbalance here? This line, we're supposed to have hours on there. Okay. So, yep, in between here was that imbalance. I was looking to take the trade up to 50% of it at the least. All right, so it gave me a little more. Came into this imbalance right here and got into this. See this rejection right here. This would be considered support now, resistance. Okay, traditional. And then this is also a resistance block right here. This big one right here. Right, nice to the T. Look at that. Look it to the left. Look to the right. I mean, we're talking nice, right? Got into here, sealed most of it. Doesn't have to come down, but we do have this imbalance in here. Now, price came, as you see, it opened up, playing around. This is the 1 hour chart. So we have this imbalance here. It held. This price came down to stab into it, grabbed right 50% of that nicely. And then let me go into a 5-minute and then take a look here. You won't be able to see the order flow here, but it's going to be on a 1 minute. You can go ahead and do that. But price came down. Look at 9:30. You want to wait because this was suspect. It should have just flew up, but it didn't. 9:30 came down aggressively. Not as clean. Definitely manipulative versus like S&P was a lot more cleaner in my opinion. Except for this area on the S&P was pretty nasty. But slammed down, took out that low, got into this here. And then on the 1 minute, you can see the order flow here. Took the buy, obviously to this level for this high. And then I wanted to take it to this 50%. And then after it kept going, this was a next target right here, aimed beautifully and got out. This was going to be like around 11 o'clock. Generally, the sweet spot for me is right after 9:30 and then up till about 11:30, 11, sometimes 12. But after that, like, there's no sense of sitting in this trade for all this. I mean, look at all this. Look at this. Come down, comes back up to take you out. Whoever was selling came right back down and shot down. I'm not interested in the PM session. Not interested in selling all this because I knew I still had some room to go to reach this. So where we are right now is going to be very tricky. This is tricky. In my opinion, you're going to see a lot of Asia and London situation. It's going to be definitely more volatile than normal instead of being flat like this. But I still think it's going to come for this high. But at the same time, this could be the lower high. Like this was the lower high. This could be a lower high and sufficient enough to just sink. Again, I don't want to marry the idea of constant selling because it might sound like that. And to be honest, I am a little married to the idea of just constant selling. But as you see, look at this. So right now we've hit above a 50 level. Where it stopped here doesn't show me too much confidence. I still have a feeling that we're going to come up. We have these equal. Let me take this out just so you can get the idea. But we have these. You see this right here? Beautiful equal highs right here. A lot of liquidity sitting there. They might spike the news to grab that. So we're going to have to play it by ear. You got to watch the order flow. This is going to get tricky, I can tell. But at the same time, you might want to skip trading all tomorrow together at the whole. You don't need to trade. I mean, today was a great day. You're going to have many great days. You have too much news here. But as of now, it had a nice pullback. So it could definitely come up to fill this imbalance, come into here. I mean, as far as taking up here, I don't see that. Not for Dow Jones. I don't see that. Getting into here or tapping above here, yes, I can see that. But we'll see. But also, I'm in favor for it to just, kind of curve down that way and start building ugly order flow down. So something like that, right? I hope this helps. You guys take care. God bless.